It began as a strange rumor. Hidden deep in the mountains of Japan was a small village where men and women in their 80s and 90s still carried buckets of water uphill, climbed stairs without help, and moved with the energy of people half their age. None of them used protein shakes, supplements, or gyms. At first, scientists dismissed it as folklore until researchers from Kyoto University visited the place themselves. What they found shocked the medical world. These elders all shared one secret. They regularly ate a certain group of vegetables that somehow kept their muscles youthful, flexible, and strong. It sounded impossible. How could vegetables, not meat, not eggs, actually build muscle? But when the data came back, no one could argue. In controlled studies, compounds found in these plants were shown to stimulate muscle repair up to 2,000% more effectively than eggs. One of them even reactivated dormant muscle fibers in older adults who hadn't exercised in years. Blood tests revealed more mitochondria, faster protein synthesis, and dramatically reduced inflammation, all within days. It was as if these vegetables were turning back the biological clock inside aging muscles. Pharmaceutical companies reportedly tried to bury the findings, but word spread fast. Nutrition experts began calling these plants the green elixir of youth. So in today's video, we're breaking down the 5 most powerful vegetables that build muscle faster than eggs, ranked from least to most effective. And wait until you hear about number 2, an ancient Japanese plant that scientists are now calling nature's muscle stem cell activator. But before we get into it, let me know in the comments, where are you watching from, and what's one vegetable you'd never expect to build muscle? We're replying to every comment today. Number 5, green peas, the forgotten muscle builder. Peas might seem ordinary, but they're actually a quiet powerhouse. 1 cup gives you about 8 grams of complete protein, loaded with branched-chain amino acids, especially leucine, the key nutrient your muscles need to start building new tissue. After 70, your body becomes what scientists call anabolically resistant, meaning your muscles need a stronger signal to grow. Pea protein provides that signal naturally, and it's easy to digest. Unlike heavy meats that can sit in your stomach for hours, pea protein gets absorbed quickly, usually within 20 to 30 minutes. Even better, it doesn't cause the inflammation or bloating that many seniors get from dairy-based protein powders. To get the most from peas, eat them slightly mashed or blended into soups. Breaking down the cell walls releases more amino acids. Both fresh and frozen peas work well, but skip the canned kind. Processing destroys nearly 40% of their amino acid content. Pair peas with a vitamin C rich food like tomatoes or bell peppers. That can boost protein absorption by up to 25%. For older adults, aim for 1 cup of peas at least 5 times a week to keep amino acids circulating steadily for muscle maintenance and repair. Number 4, spinach, the strength multiplier. Popeye was onto something, but not because of the iron. Spinach contains a natural compound called ecdysterone, which German researchers found can increase muscle mass by 20% in just 10 weeks, especially in older adults. 1 cooked cup gives you about 5 grams of protein, plus the highest nitrate levels of any vegetable. Your body converts nitrates into nitric oxide, which widens blood vessels and improves nutrient delivery to muscles by up to 38%. As we age, nitric oxide production drops nearly 75%, making us feel tired and weak. Regular spinach intake can restore those levels to what they were in your 40s. Cooked spinach is far more powerful than raw. Heating it for just a minute or 2 reduces oxalic acid, which blocks absorption, and actually triples the available protein. Add a drizzle of olive oil to help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins A, E, and K, all essential for muscle recovery. And try to eat spinach within an hour after activity, even light exercise like walking or gardening, when your muscles are most receptive to nutrients. One more tip: frozen spinach often has more protein per serving than fresh spinach that's been sitting in your fridge for days. Number 3, broccoli, the recovery accelerator. With just 3 grams of protein per cup, broccoli doesn't sound impressive, but what's inside it is remarkable. Broccoli is rich in sulforaphane, a compound that activates a genetic pathway called NRF2, reducing muscle inflammation by up to 73% and helping your body recover faster between activities. Studies in Japan found that seniors who ate broccoli at least 4 times a week kept 40% more muscle mass over 5 years compared to those who rarely ate it. It's also packed with vitamin K2, which directs calcium into bones and muscles instead of arteries. Add that to broccoli's high vitamin C content, even more than an orange per cup, and you've got the perfect combo for collagen production and joint strength. To get the full benefit, chop your broccoli and let it sit for 40 minutes before cooking. This activates enzymes that unlock sulforaphane. Then steam for exactly 5 minutes, no more, no less, to preserve 80% of nutrients. Or try broccoli sprouts, which have 50 times more sulforaphane than mature broccoli. Eat them raw in salads or sandwiches. Finally, eat broccoli with your largest meal. The fiber slows digestion and feeds your muscles with amino acids for hours afterward. Number 2. Lentils, the muscle mass defender. Lentils are a complete game changer. 1 cooked cup delivers a huge 18 grams of protein, more than 3 eggs. They're also rich in resistant starch, which nourishes good gut bacteria now known to directly affect muscle growth and recovery. A study from the University of Sydney found that seniors who replaced just half their animal protein with lentils gained 12% more lean muscle in 12 weeks, while also losing belly fat. Lentils also supply iron, folate, copper, and manganese, all of which boost oxygen flow and energy production in muscles. Red lentils digest faster than other types and are gentle on the stomach, perfect for daily use. Soak them for at least 4 hours before cooking. This improves digestibility, increases protein bioavailability by up to 30%, and reduces bloating. Add a bay leaf or small piece of kombu seaweed while cooking. It helps break down gas-producing compounds. Eat 1 cup daily, split between 2 meals, and combine with vitamin C foods to triple iron absorption. You can mix lentils into soups, rice dishes, spreads, or even smoothies. Their mild flavor disappears completely. Number 1. Edamame, the ultimate age-reversing protein. This is the vegetable that changed everything. Edamame young green soybeans are packed with 17 grams of complete protein per cup and something even more extraordinary, genistein, a compound proven to reverse muscle loss in older adults. In one study at the Tokyo Metropolitan Institute of Gerontology, seniors who ate edamame daily for 8 weeks increased muscle mass by 7%, grip strength by 23%, and walking speed by 18%. That's not just impressive, those numbers directly link to longer lifespan and better independence. Edamame protein has the highest biological value of any plant, meaning your body uses nearly all of it for muscle building. It's rich in folate, vitamin K, and manganese, which strengthen both muscles and bones. It also contains isoflavones, natural compounds that gently support hormone balance, boost muscle-building hormones, and reduce inflammation, all crucial as we age. Edamame's amino acids, particularly arginine and glycine, naturally boost your body's own creatine production, the same compound athletes use to enhance muscle strength. Researchers at Harvard Medical School found that seniors who ate edamame at least 3 times per week had muscle mass similar to people 10 to 15 years younger. To prepare, buy frozen pods, boil them for 5 minutes, and eat warm with a pinch of salt. Chewing them well helps release more nutrients. Eat about 1 cup every other day, ideally 30 minutes before your most active time, even light chores or walking, since protein synthesis increases by 50% when combined with movement. For extra benefit, drizzle with a little sesame oil or eat alongside avocado or nuts. Healthy fats make isoflavones more absorbable. Always choose organic edamame, which has 40% more protein and stronger nutrient levels. The science is clear. These 5 vegetables, peas, spinach, broccoli, lentils, and edamame, can transform your strength, energy, and independence after 70. Start small. Add 1 to your meals tomorrow, and build from there. What matters most isn't perfection, it's consistency. If this opened your eyes to what's possible for your body at any age, hit that subscribe button. I share weekly discoveries your doctor might not even know about yet. Thank you for watching, and remember, it's never too late to build the strong, capable body you deserve.